The third blessing, having dominion over creation. The third blessing God gave man is the right to lovingly care for the whole of creation. For God to feel joy, man, the being in creation closest to his heart, should always feel joy in his life. Therefore, God created all things so that they could give joy and happiness to man. Just as man experiences joy in relationship with God, with his love and heart, creation can also experience complete joy from the stimulus it receives from man's care. Man's loving care of all things and obtaining joy from them constitute the realization of the third blessing. The world in which the three blessings are realized is the ideal world in which God and man and the cosmos, are in complete harmony. This world is the kingdom of heaven on earth. Man was created to live in the kingdom of heaven on earth in total unity with God, the divine source of love and goodness. At the death of his physical self, at the end of his earthly life, the spirit of every man and woman leaves his physical self and passes into the spiritual world. There he will live eternally in God's kingdom of heaven, in a direct and total relationship with God, where he will receive perfect and divine care and love from God.